Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video, we're going to talk about Walgreens for the week of March the 28th to April the 3rd. So this is a new week over there. Lots of these deals are predicated that they're going to start on that Sunday. And I believe this is the last week before Easter. So they're really pushing all the Easter goodies and all that good stuff. But before we get into the deals, we're going to talk very quickly. Big Lots sent out this email first thing this morning for a smaller chocolate covered bunny completely for free. This coupon is automatically loaded to your store card. You just go to a Big Lots and you can get one for free. They're usually close to the cash register. And also, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account and then go to the Discoveries page, which is on the left hand side, I got this freebie this morning for 2 boxes of these popsicles. It's a really good one. I know there was an ice cream cake earlier in the week, but if you can't track it down, this is the next best thing with the Fetch Rewards app. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about over at Walgreens, this showed up last Wednesday. And it's a booster. It's $7 of Walgreens Cash when you spend $50. I've gotten the same one for the last 3 weeks, so there must be a memo or something that I'm rich. Because the word spend is in this one. You must pay cash, credit card, debit card, pennies. Don't use your Walgreens Cash with this booster, or you will not earn it. This $7 of Walgreens Cash is the little dance that they do when they have the word spend in the verbiage, so please be absolutely mindful of that. And I know there's customer service reps who would just love to tell you, sorry, you can't spend your points, you can't use it, so just be mindful of that, guys. With the new month, we're going to have a new big book of savings, and as you can see, it says sneak peek. This means the IVC coupon is not activated yet. How do I know this is an IVC coupon? See how it says with my Walgreens? Thus, you know it's an IVC coupon. You can either scan these from the big book or load them digitally. So with the new month, there's going to be new monthly deals as well. So we're going to have to look for those. A new book with IVC coupons, perhaps items that's in clearance will be free or really cheap with these IVCs. And then this weekend in the newspaper, there should be the April P&G, so you might want to grab a paper or two. Easter will be celebrated on Sunday the 4th. So on the 5th, which is Monday, typically the Easter merchandise will hit 50% off, so the next day following. And they have a lot of cute little bunnies, a lot of stuffies, whatever you might like. But if something really catches your eye, you might want to head out there first thing Monday morning to look for this stuff. Okay, so with the IBOTTA app, this is the little freebie, and this is some sort of like protein-filled cookie. Either find this at checkout, or sometimes they have an aisle with like supplements and bars and like protein shakes and that sort of stuff. $1.99 with the IBOTTA app, you will get that full amount back. This is valid till March the 31st, but always double, triple check with IBOTTA to make sure you have that rebate. Now let's talk about this $4 register reward when you buy 2 items off of this little bingo sheet. So the first item that we're going to go for is the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to grab 2 Olays. Now, as you can see, there's going to be a 4 off of 2 digital coupon to load on Sunday. So pairing it with this, you can either grab the Olay or Old Spice. It is your choice. So let's grab 2 Olays for $12. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital coupon that's loadable on Sunday, you will pay $8 out of pocket. Get back a $4 register reward. The final price point here is $4 for 2 or $2 each. Now, if you're buying this on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay for this, and you will get that $4 register reward. Okay, the next one we're going to grab is 2 of these Pampers. They're 2 for $18. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. And if you go over to your IBOTTA account, $1.50 back on these cruiser bags. So grabbing 2 of those cruiser bags for $18, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, that's loadable on Sunday morning. You'll pay $15 out of pocket. Get back your $4 register reward. $1.50 times 2 back from IBOTTA, so $3 back from IBOTTA. So we're looking at $8 for the 2 or $4 per bag of diapers. And again, if you wish to use your Walgreens Cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, next deal that we have, guys, is this one, which is when you buy 6 of these products, you're going to get back $10 of Walgreens Cash. Because the word buy is in there, if you have Walgreens Cash that you want to use for this deal, you can use it and you will still earn that $10 of Walgreens Cash because the word buy is in there. Now, this little bingo chart of items, there is no spectacularly high value coupons for this, so we're going to have to kind of get creative with this one. And then a lot of these, because they are P&G products, it's like limit 1 or per lifetime or else. So that's why we kind of have to get creative with this one. Okay, so let's grab 6 of these items, whichever you want. If you remember last week, we were earning $4 register rewards for the axe and the razor deal. So let's present 2 of those. So we'll use 2 of them. That's $8 off. And if you want to mix and match off of that bingo sheet, you don't have to get 6 of the same item, just to let you guys know that, other than you need to grab 6 items. And let's also throw in $20 of Walgreens Cash. If you have it on your store card, you'll pay $1.94 and then get back 10. So yes, a loss of $10 of Walgreens Cash, but if you consider some of these are like the Swiffer wet packs or those Dawn trigger sprays, it's a really great deal. So I think this is a fantastic one. Okay, looking at this, a little bingo chart here of deals of the week. 3 for $8.99 for the 7-Up is fantastic. Right below it, $4.99 for the coffee one. We're going to look at that. And 95 cents for the Ajax or Dawn is also quite fantastic. So grabbing one of those Maxwell House for $4.99. This is on Ibotta, which is $1.25 back. Grab one of those Maxwell House for $4.99. These are usually like double the price, guys, because that's a lot of coffee that you're getting for that price point. You would pay that, get back $1.25 from Ibotta, making it $3.74. The limit for this is up to 5, and yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay down your balance if you wish, but a really inexpensive stock-up price for coffee if you love the Maxwell House line. Okay, so looking at the next little thing is this. It's $5 of Walgreens Cash when you spend $20, and this is valid right till the end of the month, so this is a monthly promotion. If you look at the bottom right-hand corner, got to be is included, so those stylers and that good stuff. So we're going to grab stuff that's in the $6.99 neighborhood. If you go over to your Ibotta account, there's a $1.50 back rebate on these styler products. So if you love their hairspray or stuff like that, unfortunately no manufacturer, so we're going to have to get creative with this one. Grabbing 4 items at $6.99 a piece on a buy one get one 50% off is $20.97. If you have register rewards from other deals such as the axe or those razors last week, present 2 of them, that's $8 off. Because this is a spend deal, you have to pay cash for the balance. It's like spend 20 to get that 5. It was written in the slides previous. So you'll pay that $12.97 cash out of pocket, so debit card, credit card, cash, pennies, whatever. And then you're going to get back $5 because you spent $20 on these products. And then you're going to make that $1.50 submission 5 times to Ibotta for the product. So you're going to get back $6. So it drops it down to $1.97 for the 4, which is quite fantastic. Now, absolutely, let's not forget to pay cash for the balance because this is a spend deal. The next deal that we're going to talk about is with the Colgate $3.99 coupon in this weekend's Smart Source, plus there will be $1 digital, and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So looking at the math for this one, grabbing 2 tubes of toothpaste for $7.98, they're $3.99 a pop. Subtracting $2 coupons from this weekend's Smart Source, subtracting 2 right there, you're left with paying $5.98 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents each. If you wish to use your Walgreens Cash, go for it. This one is a little bit out of pocket, so let's hope that a higher digital coupon will show up on Sunday. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, this is also another great little deal on these plugs. It's going to be down to $2.99. There's going to be a $2 digital coupon, dropping it down to 99 cents. And I think these newer plugs, there's some sort of like computer chip in it. So it has like the smart scent that you can put like a heavier scent or a lighter scent. It's some sort of magic and razzle dazzle. You might want to investigate that if you love the Febreze line with those like scented oil plugs. Now let's also talk about some honorable mentions. This one, I can't put it even as a deal because if you look at the math for this, it's buy 2, get a $4 register reward. 2 of these is almost $24 and there's like quarter coupons for the bounty. Since this is not a wealthy channel, we're not doing that deal. The Heinz ketchup is on a BOGO free. Last year at the height of the pandemic, for these condiments, there was no deals. As we're getting closer to the Memorial Day holiday, we're going to see a lot of this stuff really rock bottom price for these condiments and like stuff for grilling. So if you need this, this might be a really good deal for you. Even like we used to get barbecue sauce all the time for free, and that's just not been a thing for a while. The Oscar Mayer Wieners on a BOGO free, and that's also part of the Fetch Rewards app. Jif and the Smuckers 2 for $4, so it makes it $2 each. The same for that Kraft brick of cheese in Philadelphia. I think Philadelphia also might have an Ibotta rebate, and the Lindsay olives on a BOGO free. So all the stuff to make a really nice barbecue for that. And then 3 for $9.99 with the Coca-Cola Pepsi, fantastic. And Lay's and Dorito, $1.99 per bag. That is an unheard of price. These are 11-ounce bags. They're massive, so that is a stock-up price. It's a really great price, even for Doritos, guys. Awesome price. Now we have these BOGO 50% off for these Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand for baking. And sometimes this stuff can be rather cheap, especially for their spices. So if you are a home chef or just like to bake, you might want to take a walk through that aisle and see what they might have. And if you're trying to bulk up your pantry for the end of the world, we have a lot of canned meat and broth and that good stuff. All reasonably priced too. Like the 4 for $5 is really good for the tuna. Complete Home is a Walgreens brand for these bags. It's like for storage, and they are buy one get two for free. So usually the first one is $2.79, the second two are free, so it shakes it out to 93 cents each. I think these are very comparable to Ziploc. And then a BOGO free on these Complete Home or Patriot candles, the 15 to 18 ounces. Lots of this stuff is on clearance, so it might be worth your while to walk down that aisle, see what your store might have if you love candles. And if it is ringing up BOGO free with the clearance candles, you might have stumbled into an awesome deal. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.